Once upon a time in a faraway land, there was a young boy named Timmy, who lived with his father in a cozy cottage by the forest. Timmy's father was the kindest man in the village, always putting others before himself. He would tell Timmy stories of bravery and courage, teaching him important life lessons. One day, a terrible storm hit the village, causing chaos and destruction. Timmy's father sprang into action, helping those in need and protecting the village from harm. Timmy watched in awe as his father selflessly worked to ensure everyone was safe. As the storm passed, the village was left in ruins. But amidst the destruction, there was a sense of unity and hope. Timmy realized the true importance of his father's love and how it had guided him through the storm. From that day on, Timmy vowed to follow in his father's footsteps, spreading kindness and compassion wherever he went. The bond between father and son grew even stronger, shining bright like a beacon of love in the village.
Thank you for watching. I must be learning.